This video from Casio Help, we're looking at the SEC range of registers, and we're looking at forcing the tax split to appear on the till receipt. So if you've seen our previous videos in this series, you'll have seen how to set up tax rates, so amount of tax rate, calculation type and rounding. You've then seen a video on how to apply those tax rates to your different departments, and then finally this video will show you how to force the tax to appear on the till receipt. So if you've seen my videos, you'll see I've set all the previous things up, but I'm not getting any tax split appear on the receipt, which may be acceptable to some people, but I want the tax to appear on my receipt, and this is how to do it. Key to PGM, arrow down to system setting, CA amount 10 to enter, and then free subtotal. Now what you need to do is to type in the following code 100 000, and then press one of your tender buttons. So I'll start with cash, and then you press subtotal. That has programmed the cash button to print the receipt with the VAT split on it. But what we also need to do is to repeat that procedure for the other tender button, CHK, which I've reprogrammed to be card. So we're already at the free subtotal settings, so all we need to do is type in the code again, 100 000, press the CHK button this time, subtotal, key back to reg. Now when we process a transaction by the cash button, we get the tax split appear on the display and also on the till receipt. And I'll just show you when you do the same through the card button, you get exactly the same effect. If we hadn't programmed both buttons, then it wouldn't have appeared on the second receipt. But that's made things clear on the tax programming. We've got other videos on how to use the SEC range of registers, which you're welcome to watch. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.